Guys, this is Idle Solomons, and today what I wanted to show you guys was a method or way in which you can earn $1,000 to $5,000 online for free, right? And I want you guys to watch me step by step as I show you this platform, and if you stay till the end, I will show you how you can actually get this done without having to do any of the work yourself. And the amazing thing about this particular platform is that it works worldwide, so which means that anyone can use it. So whether you're from India, Asia, whether you're from Pakistan, whether you're from South Africa like I am, whether you're from the UK, US, Australia, wherever you find yourself, you can actually use this platform. You can get started today. It's absolutely free, so there's no fees or anything like that that's due to you. And what's also awesome about it is that you actually get paid by via PayPal or Bitcoin. So for those of you who's collecting Bitcoin, who's mining Bitcoin, this is another way for you to make more money with it. You can use it from anywhere, right? So if you have a mobile phone or a laptop and an internet connection, then you're good to go. And guys, if you stay till the end of the video, I will show you a way in which you can actually put this on automation, which means that you can actually make the money without having to do any of the work yourself. And for those of you who sign up, I will send you a little bonus which will help you through the process and actually help you set up something consistent that will allow you to generate money on a regular basis. So before I take you over to the method, I want to show you guys quickly. Go over to my YouTube channel over there, Idle Solomons. You can search, right, and you can just subscribe, click and subscribe to watch any of my new videos, or you can go through my videos and see the other videos that I've posted with the other various methods, as well as some training also. So I cover a wide variety of topics but all in the make money online-ish. So this would be very beneficial for those of you who would like to make some money. So without further ado, let me quickly take you guys over to the platform that I'm talking about. Right, so the platform I'm talking about, it is called Latium, right, latiumm.org. So with this platform, like I said, you can actually make $1,000 to $5,000 or even more in some cases. If you guys check over here, it says I need a YouTube content maker, but this person needs to speak French only. They're willing to pay you $5 to $25 on this one over here. Usability testing needed for website plus mobile portal, $300 to $500. And over here you can see you can actually get paid $5,000 to $10,000 US dollars to translate English software to German, right? And as you scroll down, you can see that there's various other projects that you can actually partake in. You can actually go and engage in. You can sign up for it, and you can apply for it and make the money, right, guys? So if you're looking for something specific and you want to set up a method, right, you can then specifically go, let me just quickly take it away. I think I just clicked on that. Okay, if you browse projects, then you can pick whatever projects you are specifically interested in. So if you like, if you are creative, you can actually choose to do graphic designing, or you can do logo design, or you can actually do banner design. Okay, so as I mentioned, you can actually choose which type of projects you would like to partake in, whether it's graphic design, whether it's website development, whether it's videography, maybe creating audios or voiceovers for customers. You can do so, right? I just quickly want to take you guys over and show you what I've done on my account. I've spoken to the guys and they've advised me that the dashboard information still needs to be updated, so some of the information is not correct or it's not showing properly, like these amounts here. But as you can see, there's $500 pending over there. These are basically the tasks that I've completed. As you can see, the $350, 250, 1,500, 1,006, then 220, 225, and it goes on and on and on and on. You can see these amounts vary. So that is basically what my account is like. The information hasn't properly been updated yet. So now, guys, as promised, so if you would like to put this on automation, right, where you can basically get the project without having to do any of the work, what I would like to show you guys is a little trick. So what you can do is you can actually go over to a platform called Fiverr. So as mentioned, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to fiverr.com, and then you'll basically get to the home page where you'll create an account for yourself. Once you log in, you'll basically be able to search for a wide variety of services, right? So as you can see, if you go into logo design, let's quickly go here. Right, you could easily find someone to create a logo for you for $15, $20, there's $30 over there, $35, right? So quickly want to show you, right? And basically what this means is that, so if you go over to Latium and you go over to logo design, let's see over here, let's look at a good one, mock-up design, logo design. The logo design needed seeking skilled designer. They're willing to pay you $100 to $200, right? Over here another one, $100 to $175. This guy over here also $100 to $150, right? There also, so you can basically go through these. Another one, $200 to $250. So you can basically go through the list and submit your request for these projects. You get it, you get someone from Fiverr that can do it for you, right? And then you pay them the $15 and you get to keep the rest. So that means if you get a project of say $200, you pay the Fiverr guy his $15, and that leaves you with $185 profit, clean, right? If you get another job here, let's see, where else, let's take for example, what is it, the 500, there's more, there's 350, right? Let's take 350, you pay the guy $15, again you get 335. So guys, you get the picture of what I'm trying to say. You can see how this can be beneficial, and you can basically search in any of these categories. Some of these services requires you to actually subscribe to a monthly fee, which is over here, and then you get paid a monthly fee. So as an example, if the customer wants you to handle the social media on a monthly basis, you get someone from Fiverr that can do it for you, say maybe for $100 or $50. You charge the customer, or the customer's budget is maybe $1,000 or $1,000 or $5,000 or whatever it might be. You pay the guy on Fiverr his amount every month, and the customer pays you your amount every month. You get to keep the rest, guys. So that's an awesome way for you to actually set up a business and actually get recurring income, where you can potentially make thousands of dollars, right? So guys, as promised, for those of you who do end up utilizing the link or using the link in the description, what I will do is you can reach out to me, just comment, and you can actually just leave me a comment, and then I will reach out to you, and then I will send you the bonus that I was referring to, right? It's going to be something amazing. It's going to be something that will help you really create a business that will allow you to work from home or basically anywhere, and especially during this unprecedented time with COVID-19 and all, we can all do with some extra money. And yeah, why not a couple of extra $1,000 a month, right? So guys, thank you very much for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if it is that you find the content valuable, please leave a comment in the description below. Thank you, and do enjoy the rest of your day.